There was a woman I knew in Calgary, Tammy Johnston, and she has a business, The Financial Guides. She swears, you think I swear a lot, she just, wow. And very aggressive. She worked in the financial sector and she just saw all the corruption and she never stopped being angry about it. So when she teaches workshops, she's just about the whole thing. And she's just very aggressive, kind of pugnacious personality. And then I saw this woman, Linda, who's so gentle, who's so sweet, chemically sensitive to everything, just very sensitive human being. And I saw her walking down the street and she said, oh, hey, I went to Tammy's workshop. But said that in a kind of disassociated way, like she wasn't really remembering. I was, oh, how was it? And then she remembered. She literally, she just kind of, I'm sorry to take you back to that dark place. It's okay, but it wasn't a fit. Is that a problem with Tammy? No. Is it a problem with, Linda? No. It just wasn't a fit. So, we can be clear about our nature. We can build a business around that. So, your gifts, your wounds, your nature. There's more, but those are three that I think people don't think about enough when they're niching.